So this morning, one student of Rasainika sent me this WhatsApp chat, and he says that, "Sir, I'm a student of BSc Biochemistry, BSc Chemistry," and he says that he is worried if AI will replace humans because newspapers everywhere they are replacing now. Humans are being replaced by artificial intelligence. So he's worried whether researchers will be replaced in the future by artificial intelligence. So it's a very good observation by him, and his name is Sen Shubhas Ramchandar. So this video is to answer his query as well as to tell you some big insights which is going to happen in your industry, whether it is chemistry, pharma industry, or it is biotechnology industry. What I'm about to say is going to change the way you look at your industry anymore. So OpenAI has come, and you can see the way artificial intelligence is taking over the world. But I have an argument which is in favor of artificial intelligence, and that is artificial intelligence is here to stay forever, and it is going to improve the limits of human ability. For example, humanly for me, I can make suppose 10 videos per day, right? And my team can edit 10 videos per day. But using artificial intelligence, we are able to edit more videos, right? So basically, what is happening? Our capacity and capability is getting enhanced each time we are using artificial intelligence. For example, this video which you are watching has been edited by artificial intelligence plus human. It is not just human, right? So that way you will be getting my video faster. So suppose I shoot today, you will get the video today itself. So that is artificial intelligence. But now let's come to its application in pharma, chemistry, and biotechnology. It is going to be huge, okay? And trust me, with the advent of quantum computing, this is going to go and grow leap and bounds. Just to give you example, 100 years ago, humans didn't know how to fly an aeroplane, right? Today, artificial intelligence is flying your Boeing 737, which you fly and you go in Indigo Airlines and all these airlines, right? So artificial intelligence is flying your planes. The humans are just assisting. Tesla, how the artificial intelligence is driving. Now, you will argue that artificial intelligence replaced drivers. No, humans were never supposed to be drivers. Okay, that profession should not have ever existed. Now those drivers can do something much more creative than just doing a repetitive task. So basically, now the question comes is, can artificial intelligence replace researchers? My answer is no. They cannot replace researchers. Instead, they can enhance the capacity of researchers just like you. So in future, you are not just going to work on a microscope, because the microscope will artificially intelligently focus and show you the microbe, right? So that is going to be the power. It will save you time, it will enhance your speed, it will improve your capability. Now, having said that, this video is also about market pull. Now, today, if I know a particular technique, for example, chromatography, so my demand suppose improves in the industry and the companies will hire me. But what will happen in the future? You will not have only artificial intelligence, but you will have artificial intelligence powered techniques and technologies, right? So it is very important to create a market pull for you in the future, not now. So if you want to create a market pull for the future, then you need to learn certain techniques and technologies like bioinformatics, cheminformatics, and many such technologies and techniques which are existing in today's world, which is growing rapidly. Now, if you ask me, if one person can run faster, and if I sit on the top of him, I can even run faster, right? The same way. So computer science is growing faster. You sit on the top of computer science with chemistry as well as biology, and that is called as cheminformatics and bioinformatics. Now, when you learn these techniques, technologies, it will help you grow faster. So tomorrow, you will not be replaced by AI, but AI will become a tool which you will use to do research in your laboratory. That is going to be the power. And to help you, to guide you, to support you and mentor you and make you future ready, make you future proof, and create this market pull for all of you, Biotecnika and Rasainika is jointly coming together for the first time for this particular internship, which is called as Chem Informatics internship, and it will be exclusively launched on both the platforms. Now, let me quickly give you a brief insight about this internship. So basically, as you know, Chem Informatics enhances the drug discovery capability of humans, right? So basically, Chem Informatics is growing leap and bounds across the globe, okay? And this internship which we have designed is a comprehensive internship, and it is also going to look into various case studies, various AI implementable case studies which will come in the future. We are also going to give you this opportunity to learn from experienced professors and teachers and experts of our field, and one of them I can tell you straight away is our Farhan Zamir sir. He's going to teach you. Now you will get hands-on exercises and interactive modules that will allow you to implement whatever you have learned in this internship, and this internship will create a foundation, a solid foundation for you for your chem informatics career. But hey, that's not just enough. This particular internship is completely online. So no matter you are in India, US, UK, China, Japan, nowhere, from wherever you are using the Biotecnika and Rasaynika platform, you can take advantage of this Chem Informatics internship. Now, it's a great opportunity to network and connect with the professors and experts of the industry, also learn various types of tools, techniques in global technologies, which is coming into the chem informatics field now. And the best part of this is chem informatics is a fastest growing field in the biopharma and chemistry industry, and it is being used as a computational tool to analyze a lot of chemical data and drug data also. And now with the advent of AI, they are using artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze the data and come to conclusions faster. Imagine what used to take 10 years will take 1 year. What used to take 1 year will take 1 second. That is going to be the speed of technology tomorrow. But to create a market pull and to make sure that you are ready by the time you'll finish your graduation, post-graduation or PhD, if you are ready for the market, to create that market pull for your CV in 2030, you need to take action today. So make this decision, guys. Go ahead and enroll into the Chem Informatics internship. The link is given in the description, and we are starting at a very low price, and also there is a early bird 50% scholarship and discount available for all the Rasaynika and Biotecnika members, but only for the first 8 students who enroll will get this early bird offer. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, check out the details, chat with the admission expert. Whatever doubts you have, you can clarify and enroll into one of the bestest opportunities which Biotecnika and Rasaynika has brought to you. A world-class set of faculties, experts, and renowned members of our team are going to train you for Chem Informatics. Now, if you are a part of our Lakshya batch, you don't need to worry. You will get this particular Chem Informatics internship absolutely free. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to pay. So if you are enrolling into the Lakshya batch of Biotecnika and Rasaynika, you are going to get this absolutely free. Now, I want to highlight 2 things here. The first thing which I said, AI is not going to replace researchers. AI is going to help you speed up your research speed, research discovery speed. So that is the first thing. And the second thing I said is, to get to that level, to become a researcher in the future, you need to know the technologies of the future. Chem Informatics is one such technology which will improve the market pull for all of you. Remember, the biotech, pharma and chemistry market is highly competitive market. So if you create a market pull, HRs will directly pick you up and give you the job. Now, whenever and wherever you will go, the certificate which will be provided for after this internship will be valid, because Biotecnika and Rasaynika is a respected name across the globe for biosciences and chemical industry, pharma industry. So wherever you will go, you will provide this certificate, and of course the knowledge which you will learn here, that is definitely going to create amazing results for all of you. So let's create a market pull for all of you by enrolling into this internship. Link in the description. Any questions, put them down. I would love to take them. Thank you so much for watching Biotecnika and Rasaynika. I'll see you soon. Take care.